The panel is moved into the stabilization chamber, where a fine mist prepares the surface.
Scan complete. Submicron resolution is nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for RAM application.
The green classification holds. Process A is clear.
Routing confirmed. The separation lock is fully engaged.
Thermal cameras ensure a uniform heat signature, preventing hotspots as the composite structure is prepared for coating.
Rotation check complete. Stability is nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for process A.
Parameters are optimal. We are clear for process A.
Confirmed.
Temperature profile holding steady at 450 K.
Confirmed. Process A is stable.
The massive FC-31 wing panel receives its second specialized layer of RAM. Robotic sanding heads
AI analysis confirmed. Process A is validated. The processor component is stable.
Confirmed. We are ready for final finishing.
optimal route confirmed. Process A to process B.
Focus shifts to the preparation of the final stealth topcoat material for the Shenyang FC-31 Gyrfalcon.
Environmental integrity confirmed. ISO Class 6 achieved. You are authorized to remove the protective film. The specialized robotic mechanism carefully removes the anti-static protective film from the FC-31 wing panel.
The robotic arm applies the critical final layer with single micron tolerances. ensuring the stealth surface finishing. The signature is stable. Process B is confirmed.
Noted. Logging the results now.
Purity levels are stable at 99.99.
Excellent. The panels are completely pristine and ready for the plasma treatment.
Automated sensors verify the RAM's chemical properties. The chemist confirms the batch compatibility.
Thermal ramp-up for process B is holding steady.
Confirmed. The stealth layer temperature profile is exact. Standards validated.
The layer is applied with the same precision and thickness control as in process A, ensuring the panels from both
The batch of Shenyang FC-31 Gyrfalcon wing panels, now fully coated with the dark matte gray base RAM layers, is transferred into the ultra-clean final topcoat zone. The successfully certified ultra-matte black Shenyang FC-31 Gyrfalcon wing panel is removed.
The high-security transport vehicle carrying the certified ultramatte black Shenyang FC-31 Gyrfalcon wing panel.
Clear on the left, easy back now. Copy that. Coming back slowly.
The perfect alignment of the pre-drilled fastener holes, achieved through automated precision engineering. A technician inserts
The Shenyang FC-31 Gyrfalcon, featuring the ultra-matte black wing panel, moves down the assembly line.
All systems green.
Confirmed. The coating is holding up well.
The Gyrfalcon demonstrates exceptional low observability. This successful test validates the